Moi kaikille. Hi everyone. Tänään opitaan Persoonapronominit ja Olla Verbit. Today we are going to learn personal pronouns and to be verbs. Let's start with personal pronouns. Minä, I, sinä, you, hän, he or she, me, we, te, you. You, that's in plural form. He, they. Here you can see the summary of personal pronouns. You can pause the video if you want. Try to memorize. Let's learn the olla verbi or to be verb. Olla verbi or to be verb can change its form according to the personal pronoun which it accompanies with. For example, if the to be verb olla verbi accompanies with the personal pronoun I, it changes into am. I am. Minä olen. Likewise, sinä olet. You are. Hän on. He or she is. Me olemme. We are. Te olette. You all are. He or what they are. Here you can see the summary of the olla verbi or to be verb. As I told you earlier, you can pause the video if you want and try to memorize. See you in the next video. Nähdään.